Come on, video. Tornado warning! Oh, Tulsa's testing!
Mostly cloudy. Isolated showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s.
Come on, 120.
North winds 5 miles an hour. The chance of rain 20%
Bruh.
at midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny.
Oh, there it goes.
Isolated showers. Public warning severe storms will not occur during highs in the lower 80s. North winds 10 miles an hour in the morning, becoming 5 to 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. The chance of rain 20% in the afternoon. Thursday night, partly cloudy.
Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. local time. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of these broadcasts, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are
Friday night and Saturday, clear.
The warning alarm tone
Lows in the lower 50s.
Bruh, I thought either LZK or SGF was gonna test first, but it had to be Tulsa.
Craig, Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Cool, Delaware,
This is the nice stuff is being real. Macintosh, Muskogee, Delaware, Oak Fusky, Oak Mulgee, Osage, Ottawa,
Pawnee,
Pittsburgh, Cushmataha, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagon, and Washington. Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Logan, Madison, Scott, Sebastian, and Washington. In Missouri, Berry, Southeast Kansas, Chautauqua, Labette, and Montgomery. The test of the NOAA weather radio. All has its public warning system. We now return to our normal programming. Little Rock!
The proceeding was a test of NOAA weather radio station.
NOAA weather radio!
Warning alarm systems. During potentially
This is a test of the National Weather Service hazardous weather system. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard System. Test of this warning system on NOAA Weather Radio All
11
Hazard
a.m. and 12 noon.
between 11 a.m.
When
and
there
noon.
is a threat of or
When there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed
postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for
Same radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals,
This
businesses,
has been a test of
government
the NOAA weather radio warning system.
stations.
We now return to
Then the
normal
test,
programming.
end of this test, regular programming.
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook